everyone, welcome to Masterchefmom. Today I'm going to share a very simple but super yummy biryani recipe that you can make with minimum ingredients. It's called the Kuska Biryani, and to go along with it, I'm also going to share a yummy Salan recipe that also requires very less ingredients. So without delay, let's go to my kitchen. Let's start cooking. The first step, wash basmati rice twice and then soak it in double the amount of water for 30 minutes. Now let's proceed to the next step. I'm using a pressure cooker to make the Kuska Biryani today. You can also use a heavy bottom pan to make this. First I'm adding ghee, around a tablespoon of ghee, and to this I'm going to add the spices, whole spices. I'm adding all the whole spices. Once the spices have turned fragrant, I'm adding the ginger garlic paste. I have coarsely crushed the ginger garlic. If you have the paste, you can use it. Otherwise, you can coarsely crush the ginger and garlic. They have turned light brown, so I'm going to add the sliced onion. Onions have fried and turned light pink. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. To this, now I'm going to add turmeric powder, the Kashmiri chili powder, the garam masala powder, and salt. Mix well and let this fry for a few minutes. It's been around 5 minutes and you can see that the tomatoes have become completely mushy and the ghee has started oozing out. Now I'm going to add the soaked rice along with the water. Mix it well. Looks beautiful already. The color is so vibrant. Now this is an optional step. You can add few drops of ghee on the top, and now we are going to pressure cook this up till just 2 whistles and switch off. Kuska biryani is getting ready. Let's do the plain salan. So for that, first I am going to roast peanuts. So if you already have roasted peanuts, you can use that. It will save you time. So the peanuts are roasted now. I'm going to add the sesame seeds. So the sesame seeds have started to crackle. I'm going to add the coconut. You can switch off the gas now, and in the heat itself you can fry it for a few seconds. Here I am using dried coconut, the desiccated coconut. You can use fresh coconut also, or you can even use frozen coconut. I'm going to grind this into a fine paste, adding little water. First, grind the mixture into a powder. At this stage, if you want, you can even make a larger batch and you can refrigerate this. Whenever you want to make a salan, a quick one, you can use this powder, then add water and grind it. Now I'm going to add some water and grind this into a fine paste. For this plain salan, first heat a pan and add oil. Now I'm going to add the crushed ginger garlic. If you have ginger garlic paste, you can use that also. Now we're going to fry this for a few seconds. To this, I'm adding the chili powder. Mix it immediately. Also add some jeera powder. Cook on low flame so that it doesn't burn. And immediately we're going to add our mixture, peanut, sesame and coconut mixture. Now this will thicken very fast, so keep stirring over low flame. We can add little more water to this. So I've added the curd. I'm just mixing it well. I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of water. You can adjust the consistency according to the amount of people you're going to serve. And now let this boil for another 5 to 7 minutes. While the salan is getting ready, let's check the cooker to see how our Kuska Biryani has turned out. It smells so good. It's turned out so well. The salan is also ready. Add salt. You can add salt while adding the spices also. So if you're vegan, instead of curd, you can add tamarind. You can add thick tamarind paste, or you can just dilute a teaspoon of tamarind and add it. It will also taste delicious along with this biryani. The salan is ready. I'm switching off. I'm going to serve the biryani now.
Man, this Kuska Biryani is brilliant. Attagasam. In fact, that onion, tomatoes, they are gelling so well with the basmati. And the biryani flavor is too good. The best part is, Salan is giving that additional kick. Makes the taste, make it even more tangy and yummy. So I didn't realize with so less number of items you could create a biryani, that too so quickly. Amazing recipe, huh?
Thanks, Raghu.
I think you should all try it out and share your feedback with Uma. It's simply amazing.
So you're sure to get lots of compliments for this recipe. Do try out both the recipes and share your feedback as comments below. Waiting to hear all your feedback. Also like, comment and subscribe to Masterchefmom. See you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking, stay safe, stay healthy.